Hi, in this video I will show you a variation on the interwoven crochet technique. It's the solid squares technique, and we will make this pattern, and I will use this yarn, Scheepjes Color Crafter, and this is color Knokke, and this is color Tessel. Before we start crocheting, I will show you a little bit more, kind of an introduction of this technique. Here you see that with this technique you have kind of blocks that are solid, and that's why I've called it the solid squares technique. And well, if you look at this one, this chart, this is for regular interwoven crochet. You can see the differences. For example, here the cross here. Here you see the open squares, and here you see the solid squares. I have marked the solid squares with an X, and I will explain that later when we will crochet this. The fun thing with this technique is that because you only do the solid blocks on the front side of the piece, the back side of the piece, here it is, it will look exactly the same as if you would just do this one with the open squares. So that's kind of funny. Well, of course, there is a possibility to also use solid squares on the back side of the piece, but I have not done that yet. Maybe I will do that in the future, but for now we will focus on doing this version with just solid blocks on the front side of the piece. And well, we will start doing this